So it is actually 2:02 a.m. I'm with Autolover again, and I'm on my main account, so go follow that. I actually have max friends, so I'm sorry. But yeah, we're playing Egg Farm Simulator. She'll be joining me, and my avatar looks different. So yeah. Hopefully it's not full. If it's full, I'm just gonna record until it's not full. Tarzan, what the flip? I'm gonna hire you. Yeah. Ugh, I need more eggs. Well, okay. This is what happens. I already know it's bacon, whatever. I'm good at this game. Ish. Not really. See, this is what I do. I used to go like really fast. Maybe because I kept getting chicken. Aha, now I'm going fast. Look, I'm gonna be 10 times. Oh, or 9 times still. Come on, I'm so close to 10. Yay, 10! I was 10 for a while. Yay, I get the higher level. I'm going on next level. Yeah. This game is mess. Not my favorite, but I mean, play it just. Okay, so I'll be back and I'm gonna actually play a different game. If it will let me in. Hey guys, so I'm actually playing Epic Mini Games. And I'm with Autolove again. She got knocked out of my other game because it was full. But I like my outfit. I have a hedgehog, purple sparks. I'm actually saving up for an animal. I have 510. I am saving up for a new animal. Like one of the expensive ones. I don't know how many wins. There you go. Honestly, I'm gonna actually pause this. I don't know what's going on. I'm sorry about that. I'm probably gonna pause this recording and then go back when the camera's perfect. So yeah. Okay, y'all, I'm back. Honestly, I'm just trying random codes. I don't even know any codes. Are you allowed to join? You are. Yay. Okay. I want to see you. Oh yeah, you haven't played it before, remember? This is your new account. What are you supposed to do? Not get hit by those red things. This is easy. I don't get how this is hard. We're not moving. Oh, now we are.
Oh.
Oh, I forgot about that one. Why does it always pause over here? Well, okay.
What is this girl wearing? What is this girl wearing?
Ugliness.
That's a bow. Girl. I'm sorry, I just don't like the top.
I don't
This is the
either.
bad top.
Or the tattoo.
Yeah. What are we supposed to do? Shoot people?
Pretty
Shoot dogs?
much.
I shot.
Haha. No! Should have killed you. Don't kill me. Yeah, kill that guy. Yay! I killed him first. Like, I shot him first.
Oh, so close.
We're so close to hitting them. We're just... Ooh, I'm level 9 now.
I'm level 2 now.
I'm level 9.
I'm level 2.
You're
Because this is my first time.
You're just like, I'm level 2. I'm just like, I'm level 9. I have 72 wins.
Because
I only had like 10 wins when I first started.
What's this?
What?
Desert dehydrator.
Oh my god, you're gonna need to get colas. Like, or if you ever see colas, get them. Or you die of starvation. Get the colas that you see. And drink them. Because you'll keep dying of starvation. I forgot I was recording. I'm gonna die because it's way too hot out here. Hello, I should have got that Coke. I'm about to die. Yay, died. Yay, Tatum. I'm favorite Tatum.
I need that. Oh. No.
You don't need it as bad as I did, Tatum. Yeah, well, at least I'm heading in a cave. Yep, this is the one where you can go in there and you can see people below.
Okay.
Did you win? Good job. Hi.
Only one path? What is this one?
Oh my god, it's hard, so you have to like make it across. I never even knew I made a screenshot.
No, I died. I fell in that hole one. Or you fell in.
I know, right? It's girls like you go around with guys like me. Even though I'm not a guy, I'm a girl. So that song should be changed. Guys like you go out with no one like me. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha.
No, just wait to get a good pet.
Yeah. Yeah. Like you, yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Rainbow Phoenix.
Like you.
More now with the Rainbow Phoenix.
Oh, I like that one too. But it looks ugly on people. I've seen it.
And I want the fluffy unicorn.
Oh, wow. Mm-mm-mm, mm-mm.
Or the bears. Okay. I suppose.
I'm sorry I haven't been
Oh.
posting for a long time, guys.
What am I supposed to do?
Not get hit by these bullets.
I'm stuck. There's one coming out. Are you dead?
Nope, not yet. Thank God. It's surprising.
No, I.
I just died. Even though I was so close. Damn! Good job.
I know. Right?
No one survived. Okay, I almost survived.
I could have survived a bit longer.
But then you got hit. Oh yes, I always usually win this one. Now you guys will actually see me win something.
Won't let me. Yeah.
Yeah, at
Oh,
least I'm at
no.
this one.
Wait. How? What? Not changing to blue.
Well, you gotta keep clicking.
Green. No, I have to. Oh, okay.
Wait, you didn't win.
Oh my god.
What is it?
Look. Yeah.
No, why not? No. Say no.
You want me to literally say no?
Yeah. Okay, now try stopping the fire. Like we need to not blow up the statue.
Don't just stand there.
Now you're supposed to stand by the fire to get it off. Guys, we're gonna blow up the statue.
What did I do?
We blew up the
I
statue.
blew up myself.
Same. We all blew up this. We blew up the statue.
I didn't get that one.
Yeah, back it over. It is what it is. What it is. What it is. Chicken and patty cake.
Yes, I
It's
love.
not a little bit hot.
Oh, I like laser time, so let's see if this one goes well.
Oh, it won't. It's harder laser time. Turn around. Dun dun dun. Turn your back around. See, we're a kid-friendly channel.
Wait. Oh, I got her. Yeah, I got him. I got him. But he got me too.
Sucker, you think you can get me? Did I get you?
No, but I certainly got you.
I got you too. I'm sorry. I